Hey guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm actually using the microphone on the camera, like built in, you know? But now, with the BOYALINK mic plugged into the camera, you can hear me clearly. So this is the review of the BOYALINK wireless mic. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So this video is fully recorded using the BOYALINK wireless mic. Okay, so if you want to know the quality of the audio out of this wireless mic, this is it, okay? So today, I want to talk about my experience using this thing for the past few days, okay? So they call this the BOYALINK wireless mic, and it is truly wireless, okay? Because, let me open and show you first. It comes with everything inside this case and we can bring it anywhere we want, okay? So let's talk about what is inside the case first. Inside here, we do have a receiver which is now plugged into the camera, okay? And two transmitters, one here and one here. Since I took it out from the box, it is also connected now, so most likely you will hear a little bit of difference. Let me put it back in the box first, okay? Now, other than that, it also comes with two dead cats or muffler or whatever you call it, wind blocker, okay, that you can actually attach it to the mic in case you are recording it outside, and outside is like, you know, has strong wind and stuff. And it also comes with three different adapters. One is for lightning, which is like for iPhone users, and one USB-C, which is for Android or maybe iPhone 15 onwards. And there's also another 3.5mm TRS jack for camera, which is what I'm using now with my Sony camera, okay? So design-wise, I feel that it looks very modern because the case is transparent, which I love a lot. And at the front, there's also an indicator to show how much battery is left in the case to charge all the devices. And of course, there's a USB-C port on the side to charge the case. When it comes to the transmitter and also the receiver design, I feel that it looks quite sleek, although it does not have a screen, okay? So we do not know what is the level of volume that we are at, whether noise cancellation is on or not, but they do have an LED blinking light, which is like blue or green or red. So blue is basically connected, green basically means noise cancellation is on, red is probably like, you know, low battery or not connected at all. So design wise, I feel it is very modern, very sleek. It is also small enough to fit in the pocket, okay? Now, the most important about wireless mic is the audio quality and the experience using it with multiple devices. So let's talk about it now. So when it comes to audio quality, okay, this thing actually has a frequency range of 20 to 20, so you can actually move it lower or higher than the usual average. And the audio actually records at a sampling rate of 48K at 16-bit, okay? If you are not sure about all these numbers, doesn't matter, just listen to this video now, listen to my voice and see whether you are enjoying the audio or not, okay? Now, audio quality wise, I do feel it's very clear. Bass is there, but not very strong, which I feel is okay because usually when we talk, we don't actually produce a lot of bass, right? Other than that, sometimes it does glitch a little bit, which is unfortunate. Because we don't know when it will glitch, but it's not all the time. Like maybe if you use it for a few times, they will glitch one time. So that is the only issue that we have experienced so far. So when it comes to range, because this is wireless, right, how far can it transmit from the transmitter all the way to the receiver in the camera? Well, on papers, it says up to 100 meters. But I have also done an experiment to show you, okay? So let's roll the clip now. Okay guys, so this is the experiment to show how far this thing can transmit, okay? I'm currently at this playground now. I'm going to go all the way to the end and see if we can still receive my signal. Of course, I will continue to talk. Maybe this is the part where I will do a fast forward. The sound is still very crisp and clear now because I'm still within the line of sight. Because I'm not very good at maths, I'm not sure 100 meters is how far. I am still moving. This is a distance test for BOYALINK wireless mic. If you still can hear me, if it is, then I would assume that BOYALINK mic is actually quite good. So that's the end of the range test for the BOYALINK mic. Okay, so now that you have seen and heard the range, let's try a little bit of stuff, okay? I am going to try noise reduction because it has noise reduction here. I will turn on by pressing both the buttons on this, and the green light should light up to show that it is switched on, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so noise reduction is now switched on. How do I sound? Okay, so basically if you're in a room like this, you don't have to use it, but if you're in a noisy street or an area, you can, okay? And on the receiver, there's also a switch to switch between mono and stereo, okay? So currently you're listening to mono, so even if I enable the other one, if I point two of these transmitters to my mouth, you are still hearing it via the mono transmission. But in 3, 2, 1, wait, I have now switched it to stereo. So you can probably hear it with your earphones, or maybe if your laptop or your MacBook supports spatial audio or whatever, you will be able to differentiate right and left, right and left, okay? Hi, ASMR on this side. Hi, ASMR on this side. Hi, ASMR on both sides. So now let's switch back to mono. So now it's back to mono. Even if I do hi, ASMR on this side, ASMR on this side, it will still be the same. So before I end this review, I want to share with you what I like and don't like about this thing, okay? So the thing that I like the most is that when we are recording this on our devices, we can still charge it, okay, using a power bank or whatever via the USB-C port on the end, okay, of this device, so that it will never run out of battery. Now what I don't like about this thing is it does not have a screen or display to show me the current status of the recording, whether it's on noise cancellation, whether it's on stereo or mono or whatever. So hopefully in the future, Boya will actually add in a display on, you know, like the second generation or whatever. So if you're thinking of buying a wireless mic for your iPhone, for your Android, for your camera or whatever, for your content creation purposes, this is definitely an option that you can think about because it's also not very expensive, okay? According to the website, it's only about 400 plus ringgit, okay? So do check it out. The link is actually here. And if you like reviews like this, if you love to see more gadgets, okay, do subscribe to this channel. Press subscribe below this video. Share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next one. Yo!